So to fix this problem, just pull your notification bar and tap on your phone settings over here. So after tapping on settings, you're going to be in the settings and tap on apps and notifications. So tap on app and notification. After that, what you have to do is to tap on see your apps. So wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. So after loading, tap on the search bar at the top and try to search for Boomplay. So when you find it, just tap on it. And when you tap on it, what you have to do is tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the mobile data, the background data is toggled on. Now go back, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now go back, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here in this section. Now tap on storage and cache, tap on a clear cache, go back, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on it when you find it. Try to search for Boomplay app. When it appears like this, what you have to do is to tap on it to update it. So after getting the latest update of it, what you have to do is to try to restart your device. So tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next one.